I'm the CEO co-founder of Adaptive. Adaptive is aiming to be the next Vercel for AI LLM infrastructure. We aim to democratize and make LLM inference easier to use for everyone, not just for the hyperscalers. And what did we build for this hackathon? We none other used our adaptive infrastructure to improve Claude Code. Everyone's been telling me left and right, Claude Code is so expensive, my wallet is being burnt dry by Claude Code, and we're here to fix that. By using our adaptive infrastructure, we wrapped Claude Code to basically route to the best model for that prompt. And you can see it from Claude itself. Claude is saying to use adaptive if we can afford it. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Over the course of this hackathon, we at Adaptive, we joined as a startup track, we decided to develop a Claude Code router using the adaptive infrastructure that we made. So I'm going to be taking you through that at the moment. So you can see here, it's a public NPM package that you can use along with the Claude router. Before we even start, I've already made an API key for us here to get started with in our Adaptive platform. And then afterwards, we can go and configure. So for example, we can go here, use the interactive CLI. We can see here I configured GPT 4.1 Nano and DeepSeek Reasoner. You can say like, okay, these are like the big models, but you can extend this to however many models that you want, for example, and you can even add custom models if you want by telling us what's capable of, and using our classifiers, we can route you to the exact one that you need for that prompt. And without further ado, let's get started. So we can get started with saying CCR start, and we can go back and say CCR code. And you can see here we're in our familiar Claude interface. So and today, analyze my project and create a docs folder so that new users can get started easily with adaptive Claude Code. So you can see here it's going to be going through the prompt, going through all the bits. It's going to select the model, and we're actually the fastest in the market, 0.2 milliseconds. As you can see here, it just started generating the tasks. So it's going to, decided to analyze the project structure and gather documentation details. It's going to search for stuff, gets for stuff, and see the point. It's probably going to take a while to analyze the whole repo as it hasn't like indexed it yet. So we're just going to wait. Terrible over the long term. And also adaptive, as you can see here, it generated documentation. Perfect. So it created a README for the documentation for users to get started. Let it continue. Let it continue, and so on. It's going to continue. And at the end of the session, we can see which models actually used. Which is great. And you can, as I mentioned, you can configure which models used. For example, you have your custom model. Just tell us what it does, and we got it for you. We'll route it between you with our blazingly fast ML classifiers. And it completed its task with a total of like 45k tokens used. Let's end our session. So you can see here, GPT 4.1 Nano was used for that. So imagine how much we just saved compared to using just Claude for it. Our bank accounts will thank us. But let's go back to the dashboard here. If we go back to the dashboard here, for example, we should be able to see our cost savings. So we can compare versus GPT 4.0, we saved 50 cents. Let's check versus Gemini 2.5 Pro, we saved 21, and versus we saved 100% versus Claude 3.5 Sonnet. I want you guys to imagine that over the large scale, and that's what we provide as Adaptive. We provide a Vercel-like experience with a crazy, blazingly fast infrastructure. Thank you. Basically, at Adaptive, we simulate what would have costed you if you just use a different model.